best experience ever watching movie live. I prefer, the best movie run were just running. Or Western movie love. Not only from United Kingdom but also United States, Australia, long as so much more. Do you know what Pay Haber? Pay Haber, you know that movie? Pay Haber? Pay Haber, right? Pay Haber. American accent say Pay Haber. But British accent say Pay Haber. At the time, first time watched that movie, Lava 2009. At the time, shoulder in the United States still, got realize and got watch. Sometimes got drink a beer, then eat food, then have a breakfast, then, the swims. At the time, the shoulder from Japan take Pearl Harbor suddenly, immediately. At that time, the shoulder from Pearl Harbor doesn't have about opportunity how to protect their country. Just because until now, even though I was near Japan, but until now I can't speak Japan because I don't be a fan. I don't judge for Japan of language, and because I hate for Japan language. Very long time ago, my grandma said Japan people very, very evil, very, worse. Just because until now, hate for Japan people, including language of Japan. Just because until now I don't learn, about for Japan because I don't like for Japan language. But I don't judge every single one. You must learn Japan, please. For me, you don't like. You don't have to force every single one. You must learn English, you must learn Chinese, you must learn Turkish, you must learn every single word, one word. Every single language is one word, depending on you. Because you know what? From this day to the end of the day, if you don't learn English, your window will close. You know what? If you don't learn English from this day to the end of the day, your window will close. The point is, the chance and the lose. Never get the chance. Here in Banda Aceh, there are a lot of community like community of English club, and then Saturday of speaking club, and then athletic of learning athletic. You can learn, you can join about English. Sometimes when my friend invite me, you must watch Korean movie because, when I got play movie one time, you must play Corona. I never watched that before. Sometimes Bollywood, I'm not doing it for watch only movie, But immediately I love drama for Bollywood movie. Start that, I'm going to learn the accents. West Virginia, Texas, North Carolina, North Dakota, North Southwest, Oklahoma, Pennsylvania, I can't manage that accent down, like suppose American accent right now. Don't judge every single one. You must learn, The point is, from this day to the end of the day, not only people, but also animals can speak English, including mongoose can speak English. I always suggest you after you master English, when you meet a foreign speaker from the United States or United Kingdom, Australia, when those people can speak with you, where did you learn that language? Where did you learn that language? Why, sir? You England visitor, right? I'm American or not, right? Yeah, I'm here. My grandma get blue eyes. My grandma from Dorothy, but my eyes got blue eyes. But the point is after you master English, know about phrases, English TOEFL, IELTS. You must learn a language: Arabic, Mandarin, Chinese, Turkish, Spanish, Dutch, those are the languages. Right? Let's get now. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. All right, please. like it's sometimes when he come and go, which is my favorite thing, what you saying just now. I didn't tell you your word. Ah. Did you in the group? Did you got in the group, extra English club group? Did you got the extra English club WhatsApp? Did you got? Ya, so how was? Kenalan grup ni? Kalau kenalan grup, baga. Dia nak follow ni, dia nak follow juga. Ayo, dia juga invite no. Dia juga. Tuliskan, dong utama, tapi nak cara-cara. Cara-caranya, biarpun anak ratu dari kabel, tim jauh terima tim, tidak mengikuti cara, tak boleh masuk. Silahkan datang kemari, silahkan datang. Tapi di dalam grup itu ada setiap hari itu saya expose selalu cara belajar Inggris, kata-kata baru semuanya. Anak ratu dari kabel, tahu di mana? Di UK. Anak jabul Bush, kita masuk bang, masuk, ikuti dulu aturan. Ya, betul. Do you read me? Do you got me? Do you got me? Alright, thank you. No more question, right? Alright, let's start for the next topic.